ang dami na nangyari since we last saw each other. So, catch up tayo. Tignan natin kung ano bang mga ginawa ng ICP Hub Philippines. For everyone following us sa ating Twitter space, I'm sure you guys were there with us na nagkaroon tayo ng napakalaking ICP Global Community Town Hall. And yung total attendees nito is 1.5 million. Grabe, sobrang dami talaga. So nagkaroon din tayo ng introduction of 13 flagship ICP houses. Nagkaroon din tayo ng, I think, code camp sa Angeles University Foundation. Napakaraming students ang nag-participate. We also had virtual code camps, which is the Zero to Hero with Bulacan State University. And then next one, so we have the Ideathon. This is the first one ng Bulsu College of Information and Communications. Nagkaroon din tayo sa University of Visayas wherein IT students delved into the third part session of smart contract deployment on ICP.